Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, we are doing some decorate with me, which I will be doing my very first Tablescape for 2020, and it is my untraditional simple Valentine Day Tablescape. So if you all would like to see how I create it with all the items that I use, please continue to watch. Hey Queens and Kings. All right, Queens and Kings, so this is how my Tablescape started off, and I'm just going to start off with my little gorgeous placemats here that I purchased from Home Goods, which I love them so much because of the sparkliness on it, and they are rhinestone, and I really believe they can go with any style. So next, I'm going to take my mirror chargers here that I purchased from Tuesday morning, and I have several of these, but these are one of my favorite just because of the shape, because I have this little octagon look going around my home. Okay, so next I'm going to use these little paper dollies, I believe they are, and they in a shape heart form that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, just to add a little more layer and bring in some of the touches of Valentine's Day, all about the love. And as you guys see, I have just this little simple look right here. This is my base look, and I'm loving this just because it's glam, and you guys know I'm a diehard fan of glam. Okay, so next we're going to move on placing our napkins or handkerchief or whatever you want to call it. But I'm using two different styles, are the navy blue ones here that I made myself. And then the XOXO is actually towels from Target Dollar Spot. And then also these black and white XO is also towels from the Dollar Spot, along with my DIY napkins. So I'm going to be using two different styles of napkins. Okay, so moving on, we're going to use these Dollar Tree plates here. So these are very affordable, just as everything else that I have already placed on my table. Now that we have the place set, I'm going to use my little DIY cups that I made, and I'm using these gold utensils that I purchased from Tuesday mornings as well, and these stir sticks and these little hearts that I got from Target Dollar Spot. The stir sticks are also from Target Dollar Spot. And I did put some more, so this is basically my completed look. I changed some things around. I took the flower vase out of the candelabra, which the candelabra is from eFavormart, and I will leave that down below. But I have to say, I love the look that I do have, which is so affordable and simple, even though it looked like a lot going on, but it's not. And as for my table runner, I did not even use a table runner. I just scattered some gems or some diamonds going down the center of it, and that's pretty much it, as well as some hearts. Now I have my little taper candles here that came from Pier 1. My flowers here I have on each side of my candelabra came from Burlington, which I just love those as well. So Queens and Kings, you see I did mix metals as well, so I got the gold going in with the silver. And these look gorgeous gold pepper salt shakes that look like champagne ballers came from Z Gallery, and I love them so much. And then I have my ice bucket as well as champagne holder here that's sitting on some cards basically as my placement for, or like the tray for it. I just scatter some cards and place it on top of there. So I like the uniqueness about it, and I decided to put the cards in because they had the black heart or whatever, represent the spades in the places of the cards. But I really love those. And my curtains came from Amazon, which I will link them down below because I get a lot of you guys asking me about those curtains. And so for my card placement holders, I am using Totally Dazzled placement holders, but I'm using cards for the actual name for the seatings. As you guys can see, the Queen is for me, the J is for Jasmine, I have the A for Andre, and the K is for Big Dre, which is Dre. because he is the king of this castle. So I try to keep the theme going along on this table here. You know, it represents Valentine's Day, but it did represent us as well. So I hope you queens and king enjoy my setup. If I have not mentioned some things, please let me know. I will leave it down in the comment section. I will answer them for you. I think the only thing I did not answer or tell you guys about are my coasters. Coasters are DIYs that I did make myself. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video, enjoyed my tablescape. If you did, once again, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video as well, and subscribe if you're new just stopping by the castle. So I hope you queens and kings have a blessed day and continue to be royal.